Summer Camp with Elwyn Autumn, sponsored by the letter S.
Hi campers, welcome back to summer camp and our last day of our very first week of camp. We did it. So today we are going to do a shared reading of a poem that I wrote about summer. And a shared reading is when you read something together. So we learned the letter S this week. And we said S says S. And we also learned about summer, and we said summer is one of the 4 seasons of the year that starts on the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. So now let's read the poem that I wrote. Now while I read it, I want you to listen to the different words, and some of the words are going to rhyme, which means they sound the same. And there's also going to be a lot of S words. So here we go. I got my pointer. I'm going to read the title. Summer. Summer is a time for fun, to jump and play in the sun. Swimming, sandcastles, slip and slides, bumper cars, and thrilling rides. Summer is a time for fun, to eat a hot dog on a bun, camping and amusement parks, bright fireworks in the dark. Summer is a time for fun, to blow bubbles and catch each one. Shells, sandals, and the seashore, sprinklers, picnics, and so much more. And now, here's a word from our sponsor, the letter S.
S. It put the S in snack.
Welcome back, campers. Okay, so we went through and we read the poem about summer, and we said that there were going to be a lot of S words. Well, there's just S's all over this poem. Sometimes you might find S at the beginning of a word, like summer, and other times you might find S at the end of a word, like in cars. So we're going to read the poem together again, and whenever we come to an S, I'm going to circle it with my red marker. So, summer. And there's the S right at the beginning of the word. And here it is again. Summer is a time for fun, to jump and play in the sun. There's another S. Swimming has an S. Sandcastles. Oh, sandcastles has an S at the beginning and the end. So let's circle both of those. Up, slip. Slides has an S at the beginning of the word and the end of the word too. So let's circle those. Let's see, bumper car. Oh, cars has an S at the end, and thrilling rides. Ooh, there's an S at the end of rides. Summer, another S. Is has an S. A time for fun, to eat a hot dog on a bun, camping and amusement. Oh, look, there's an S right in the middle of the word. I told you S's were going to be all over this thing. So S, and parks has an S at the end. Bright fireworks. Oh, there's another S at the end of fireworks. In the dark. Summer, another S. Is, another S. A time for fun, to blow bubbles. Oh, there's an S at the end of bubbles. And catch each one. Shells. Oh, shells has an S at the beginning and the end. Sandals. S at the beginning and the end. And the seashore. Oh, look, there's an S at the beginning and the middle of the word. And then we have sprinklers. Look, there's an S at the beginning and the end. So let's circle this one and this one. Picnics. There's an S at the end of picnics. And so has an S at the beginning. Much more. Wow, that was a lot of S's. Should we count them all? Sure, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow, that is a huge number. I'm going to write it on the top. 30, 3 and a 0. And that's it. Thanks, everyone. See you next time. Bye. So guess what? We're back. You know why? Because I forgot an S right here in the middle of sandcastles. So that means there's not 30 S's. I'm just going to put an X through that. There's 31. Okay, now that's it for this week. Everybody have fun, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.